Hello, thank you for stopping by. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another recipe you're going to love. Stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you. So for details sake, I'm going to show you how I process the tomato before using it. So first of all, I go ahead and wash the tomato, then put it in a pot and add just a little water and then cook it that way. That's how I cook it. And then the water I will get from this tomato, I'm not going to waste it. I'm going to sieve it out and save it to use to make the stew. In other words, nothing is going to waste. So yeah, that's just that about that. Then once it cools down, I just blend it, add in some peppers we have, and that's just what it is. But unfortunately, I lost another clip of this video. In that one, I was blending other peppers, like I blended chili and scotch pepper together, but I lost that one. In this bowl, you can see two shades of red. The one that is really red, that's pepper red, like that's the pepper. So now this is beef, and it's been dried and salted, like it's been cooked, washed, pre-boiled, and a packet like this bag goes for just 2,000 naira. So you can see that it's very economical. So I've washed it already. I'm going to put the ingredients I want to put, then add water so that it can like boil and become soft, because now it's actually tough. It's been drying for, I don't know how long it's been drying. I just bought it. So yeah, that's about that. So this is what the stew looks like after dishing it. And I love to serve this kind of stew with my rice. Yummy, yummy, yum.